Uh, Hello, welcome back, everyone. Sri Kumar, sir, can you explain? Oh yes, Sri Kumar. Uh, of course, I will do your chapter, the mensuration, in some day. Very shortly, I will try. Okay, but according to the schedule, I can't change the classes. Understood? According to the schedule, it is a routine. The chapters we are doing now, it is in routine. Okay, but in some extra class, I will take. Beyond the routine, I will try. Okay, just I will confirm you. Remain in touch. Okay, keep in touch. Okay, I will do. Of course, I will do. I'm giving you word. Okay. Now, first you tell me uh, whether all the videos and audios are clear or not. Video clear? Audio? Okay, let us start. According to the request of some students, I'm starting today the chapter identities from trigonometry. Identities. Okay, the chapter identities will explain. From the root, I will try to explain identities. Okay, from trigonometric ratio. Let us start. Say here is a right angle triangle. Remember, trigonometry always related with triangle. Okay, mainly the ratios are related with right angle triangle. Ratios. Say it is a right angle triangle. Give the name A, B, and C. Where the right angle is at the point B, at the vertex P. Right? And consider an acute angle theta. Acute angle theta. Right? Now, first of all, AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. How will you confirm the side AC is hypotenuse? What is the definition of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is opposite side of right angle. Of course, it is longest side, but hypotenuse is the always opposite side of right angle. In every triangle, hypotenuse exists. No, only in right angle triangle. Remember, only in right angle triangle you will get hypotenuse. Hypotenuse mainly opposite side of right angle. Right? Now, which one is height and which one is base? We'll consider. Here, AB is the height. Right? AB is the height and BC is the base. We'll consider. Right? BC is the base. Why BC is considered as base? Because here the acute angle theta and the right angle in common line, lying on a common line. That is, for both angles you will get one common side. Then you will consider this side as base. Right? Now say here theta is not lying, theta is lying here. Follow it carefully. Theta is lying here. Then BC will be the height and AB will be the base. Remember this. Okay? Clear? But we are considering here theta. Now let AB is the height, say x unit. BC is the base, y unit. And AC is the hypotenuse, say z unit. For easy calculation, you can assume the length like this one. right? Now, the ratio height by hypotenuse. The ratio height by hypotenuse is called sine. With respect to the theta is equal to x by, clear? This is equal to x by z, clear? Base by hypotenuse, it is called cos with respect to the angle theta. That means y by base by hypotenuse. This you will remember. Don't go for any trick. You may fall in problem, right? Sine, cos and tan. Tan theta, another ratio. What is that? Height by base. Height by base. The ratio of height and base is called tangent. That means tan theta. Right? Now, consider the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of this? 1 by sine theta. I am writing here 1 by sine theta. That means what? Z by x. Z by x. 1 by sine theta, that is 1 by of x by z. That means z by x. Okay? Z by x. This is equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta. Right? This implies what? This implies sine theta into cosec theta equals to 1. These all are the formula. Sine theta into cosec theta. Cosec. Equals to 1. Okay. Sine theta into cosec theta equals to 1. Similarly, the reciprocal of cos theta. There is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. That means what? Z by y. Z by y is called sec theta. This implies what? Sec theta into cos theta. Cos theta into sec theta equals to 1. This is another formula. Note it down all. Tan theta, reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta. This is equal to what? Y by x. This equals to cot theta. That is tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. This another formula. Understood? This you will remember. These are the actually, these three are the three RCC pillar of trigonometry, and these three reciprocal of the three is cosec, sec, cot, another three RCC pillar of trigonometry. That is 6 RCC pillars of trigonometry. Trigonometry starts from these three, these 6 formulas, 6 ratios. Okay, the whole trigonometry depending on these 6 ratios, whole trigonometry. Okay. Now, another formula that is tan theta, that is sine theta by cos theta. This is equal to what? Sine theta. Sine theta is equal to x by z. X by z. What is cos theta? Y by z. Z cancel. You are getting what? X by y. What is this? X by y? Tan theta. Understood? So, another formula. Sine theta by cos theta equal to, right? Sine theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Another one. Cos theta by sine theta. What is cos theta? Y by z. What is sine theta? X by z. Z cancel. That means y by x. Y by x is equal to what? Y by x. Y by x is equal to what? Cot theta. Cot theta. Another formula. Cos theta by sine theta equal to cot theta. Understood? How these formula came? Just I am trying. Okay, I am trying to show. this trigonometry formula, how it came roughly, right? Now, there is one very important formula. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We are showing how this formula came. This is the triangle is right angle triangle. Of course, one theorem. What is that? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is that is hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. That means by Pythagoras theorem you can write hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus square. Right? Trikumar, Sarai, but okay, very good. Okay, good evening, you new friend. Okay, see, do one thing, divide both sides by z square. Divide both sides by z square. What you will get? Z square by z square. That means x square plus y square by z square. What you will get? 1 is equal to x square by z square plus y square by z square. Right? This implies what? 1 is equal to x by z whole square plus y by z. This implies what? 1 is equal to x by z is equal to what? X by z sin theta. Sin theta whole square plus y by z. Cos theta whole square. Understood? What is this? This is equal to sin square theta plus. So this formula, very important formula of trigonometry. Right? Now, there is another formula. If you divide both sides by x square, you will get another formula. If you divide both sides by y square, you will get another formula. What are these? You got one sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Another one is I am writing here cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Another one sec square theta is equal to 1 plus. Okay, this is and these three are very important. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Right? Now you see all the formulae. I'm showing all the formula. I'm showing you. See, yeah. Just take a screenshot. These all formulae I have shown here now. Okay. So you take a screenshot. It will help you. Now, by using all these formulae, we will prove some identity. We come to the problem one by one. Problems, okay? What is the first problem? See, prove the following identities. So one by one, we will try to prove all this. First, take a screenshot of all the problems. Then one by one, we will do. Take a screenshot. What's the first problem? You have to prove 1 plus 10a whole square. 1 plus 10a whole square plus 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10a whole square is equal to 2x square. Okay, you have to prove 2x square. Okay, see 1 plus 10a whole square plus 1 minus 10a whole square is equal to 2x square. You have to prove this one, this identity, by using the formula. You have to prove this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. From left hand side you can go in right hand side, or from right hand side you can come to left hand side. Anywhere you can do, but depending upon the problems you have to choose, you have to decide. You will go left side from right side, or you will go from right to left. Okay, from right to left you will come, or from left to right you will go. It will depend upon the problem, right? So come here, it will better if you go from left side to right side. How will you go? See, here is a formula. You can use that one directly. What is the formula? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to what? Can you tell me? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to what? Can you tell me? This equals to 2 into a square plus b square. Note it down, this formula. Very important one. Right? By using this formula, you can do it directly. Why is that one? Here in place of a 1, here in place of b, here is 10a. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 10a. Also, we can write it directly. A plus, that is 2 into what? A square means 1 square plus b square means 10 square. Okay, this equals to what? 2 into 1 plus 10 square. Correct? 2 into 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to what? Already we learned now. 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to x square. That means equal to right hand. Understood? By using that one, we do. This is important formula. This formula will help you in many times in a place. Right? Next problem. Okay. Go to the next one. Number 2. Sec A into 1 minus sin A. Into sec A plus 10 is equal to 1. Try yourself. Sec A into 1 minus sin A. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus 10. Equal to 1, you have to prove. Sec A into 1 minus sin A, sec A plus 10A is equal to 1. Okay? To prove this one. To prove this equal to 1. How will you prove? Left hand side. This equals to what? Keep sec a as it is, sec a into 1 minus sine, right? Now, within bracket, sec a means what? Formula. Sec a means what? 1 by what? 1 by plus tan means sine a by, okay, simplify, is equal to sec a into 1 minus sine a into, what is the LCM? Cos a and cos a? So what is the full form of sec? Secant. Full form of sec means secant, okay. Cos a, right? 1 plus sine, okay. This is equal to sec a into 1 minus sine a into, what will do? See, here is cos a plus b into a minus b. Can you use? It is a square minus 1 by, understood? Sec a means 1 by cos a into 1 square means 1 minus sine square a, that means cos square a into 1 by cos a. That means what you got? See, cos square a is equals to 1 equal to, understood? Yes. Clear? Go to the next one. First you see the problems. First to go through the problem that I did, okay. Next one, tan square a minus sine square a is equal to sine square a into tan square a. Tan square a minus sine square a, this is a formula actually. This is a formula. How you will prove it? First you try. The main thing is that you have to keep all the formula in your mind. Okay. That any time you can use. Tan square a minus sine square a. After that 4 and 5 you will do. I am doing tan square a minus sine square a. Tan square a minus sine square a. You have to prove tan square a into sine square a. Good. Tan square a into sine. Well, left hand side. This equals to, say, tan square a means sine square a by cos square a minus, right? This equal to, what is the LCM? Cos square a. That means sine square a minus sine square a into cos square a. Understood the calculation? Okay. This equals to cos square a. You can take common sine square a. Sine square a, that is 1 minus cos. Understood? Now, what is here? See, sine square a by cos square a into 1 minus cos square a means what? Sine square a. That is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Tanmoy, yes. Good evening, Tanmoy. take common. Yes, I am taking common. So what is this? This is equal to 10 square a. So 9 square. That means what? This was the thing to prove. That means right hand side. This is to prove. Right? This is a formula. 10 square. Okay, 10 square. Very good. Next one. Go to next one. See this problem? Go to the next one. Sin a into 1 plus 10a plus cos a into 1 plus cot a. You will do this one. Number 5. What you will do? You will take the LCM of 1 plus sin a and 1 minus sin a. Okay? And you will start. Go to the next page. I am doing the number 1. Okay? Cos to the power 4a. See the problem first. First you write all the problems in your copy. First you write all the problems in your copy. Better take a screenshot if possible. Cos to the power 4a. Cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a. Cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a is equal to what to prove? 2 cos square a minus 1. What to prove? 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a. See. How will you prove this? Ten means tangent. Okay, tangent. Tangent. First 3 alphabet we use. 10, S10. 10 means tangent. Okay, what is tangent actually? It is a circle, here a line. That means this line is a tangent to this point with the circle. And the point P is called the tangent point. Okay, so in coming the term 10, that is tangent, there is lot of things behind. Lot of things. Understood? Okay. How will you prove? Come to the problem. Left hand side. Help me. What to do? You have to bring in terms of cos square. Cos. But here is sine. So you have to avoid sine. Is not it? To avoid sine. Now, here, can you write this? Say, cos square a whole square minus sine square a. Understood? That is a square minus. Which formula? A square minus b square. A square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b. That means cos square a plus sine square a plus b into a minus b. Cos square a minus sine square. Understood? What is this? This equals to 1. This equals to 1. That means 1 into this. Cos square a minus, okay, cos square a minus sine square. Cos square minus sine square means what? You have to avoid sine square. Cos square a minus sine square means what? 1 minus cos square a. That means cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. That means 2 cos square a minus 1. Same. Right hand. Okay. Is equal to right hand side. Right. Now to the next one. What is the next problem? 1 plus cot a whole square plus 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to 2 cos a square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Use this formula. You will get the answer directly. Same kind of problem already we have done one. 10 to the power 4a plus 10 square a sec to the power 4a minus sec square. What you will do? You will take common 10 square a. Then you will get answer. Okay. Take common 10 square a. After that you will get answer. Go to the next. Sorry. Yes. Problem came now. Cos a into cot a. Important. These all are the important problems. These all are the important problems. Do one by one. First one, cos a into cot a. Cos a into cot a divided by 1 minus sin. We have to prove this equal to 1 plus cosec. Cos a into cot a divided by 1 minus sin a. We have to prove 1 plus cosec. Okay. Kumar, what is the question? So my question is that cos square 0 plus sin square 0 equals to 1. Yes? Yes? Correct. The angle is 0 degree angle. What will be the answer? Cos square 0 plus sin square 0 equals to 1. It lies between what? There is a property. Then you will understand in details when you will study the angle range. That is the angle range of theta. Angle range of theta. Okay. Actually, what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. What is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. You are getting 1 here. But there are more things behind that. Okay. More things behind that sin square 0 and cos square 0 equal to 1. You can find the value directly. Sin 0 is, there are some standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Right. But here also sin square 0. Sin 0, what is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. When you will go in higher class, you will get the values. And what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. Okay. Now, how will you prove this? In when you will go in class 11, then you will get the in details of this. Details of this. But what is the theta here? Theta is an acute angle. Theta is an acute angle. That is, it is less than 90 and greater than 0. Greater than 0. For this case, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. For this. But there are more properties for this. I am not going to explain here. But when you will go in class 11 or for advanced mathematics, then you will get the details of all. Understood? Okay. But here only in class, for class 10 actually, for class 10 and 9, for mainly for CBSE and ICSE board, for Madhyamik standard. Okay, for secondary standard, we will consider theta as an acute angle. Right? And for this theta only, the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. In some other day, I will explain in details. Explain in details regarding the theta, sin, all trigonometric value. The value theta you are considering as 0 to 90 degree only. 0 to 90. Okay. 0 degree to 90 degree only. Here. But is the angle limited in between only? No. In between only? No. Here, just a few minutes I am taking. If you move this way, continuously you can move. These are a positive angle, 1000 crore degree, whatever be the angle. Not only 90 degree, 90, 360, 720, whatever be. 1011 degree, whatever be the angles in piece. If you move this way, then it will be the negative angle. It is the positive angle. Angle always positive? No, not that. Then what will happen? Okay. But the thing is that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is an identity. Is an identity. Don't forget this one. Okay. It is an identity. Here we will consider it is an acute angle only. I will explain in details in some other classes. Right. Now, you have to prove this one. Left hand side. This second. How will you prove this one? You have to bring 1 plus cosec theta. Now, cos theta, cos A. In place of theta, here is A. What is cot theta? Cos A by sin A. Can you write 1 minus sin A? Then what will you do? 1 minus sin A. Then cos square A. Understood? Cos A into cos A. Cos square A. And sin A come in. Right? Now, what will you do? To bring cosec A. To bring cosec A. So, what is cos square A? Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. Right? Can you write? This is the formula. 1 minus sin A into sin A. Right? See. 1 means what? 1 square? 1 means 1 square? A square minus B square. That is 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Right? Divided by 1 minus sin A into sin A. Right? 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A cancelled. But you are getting 1 plus sin A by sin A. That means you can split this way plus 1. That means cosec 1 by sin A means cosec A plus 1 is equal to right answer C. Answer Kim. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Cosec A, but just you rationalize. Both for left hand side, you will multiply both numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos A. Then you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer. Okay. Number 3, you will try. Number 4, I am doing. Number 4. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Sin A minus sin cube A whole divided by 2 cos cube A. 2 cos cube A minus cos A. What to prove this equal to 10A. What to prove this equal to 10A. Right? This equals to 10A. How will you prove this? Left hand side. This from numerator, can you take common sin A? See, take common sin A. If you take common sin A, 1 minus 2 sin square A. Understood? If you take common cos A from the denominator, 2 cos square A minus 1. Understood? Now, what are these? Sin A by cos A, 10A. Right? Now simplify. 1 minus 2 into sin square A means 1 minus cos square A. Okay? Here 2 cos square A minus. This equals to 10A. 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square. Understood? That is 2 cos square A minus 1. Understood? I think clear? 10A into minus 1 plus 2 cos square. 2 cos square A minus 1. Understood? See, these cancel. Both are same. Both are same. That means 10A. What to prove? Yes, 10A is equal to right hand. Already proved. Is equal to right hand side. Okay. See. What is the next one? Oh, this page finished. This page. Okay. So there are some more problems from 5, 10. Oh, this up to 21. Up to 21. Starting from 5. So starting from 5, this page So important. All problems are important. All problems are important. First try number 5. Okay. First try number 5. What is number 5? Sin theta into tan theta. Sin theta into tan theta by 1 minus cos theta. This equals to 1 plus sec theta. Sec theta. 1 plus sec theta you have to prove. Okay. The same pattern problem I think we have done. Same pattern problem. Okay. Let's do it also. Left hand side. This equals to what? Sin theta into tan means what? Sin theta by cos theta. I think already we have done. 1 minus cos theta. That means 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta will come below and sin square theta. Understood? Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. Then 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 square minus cos square theta. This is equal to a plus b minus b. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. 1 plus cos theta by cos theta, that means 1 by cos theta plus 1, that means sec theta plus 1 equal to right hand side. The same problem, the dual problem. Two problems we have done the same method, same pattern. Okay. Go to the number 6. Go to number 6. Okay. Go to number 6. What is that? 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A plus cos A by 1 plus sin A. Cos A by 1 plus sin A. You have to prove this equal to 2 sec A. Equal to 2 sec. Okay. You have to prove this one. You have to prove this one. This is the left hand side. Okay. This equals to, you have to calculate from left hand side to right hand side. Prove. What is the LCM? Cos A and 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus, right? So divide cos A into 1 plus sin A by cos A, that is 1 plus sin A whole square. Understood? Really? Square. I think clear? This equals to cos A into 1 plus sin A, right? A plus whole square, a square plus twice AB, understood? Plus b square plus cos square. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. So what you will get? 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 sine. Understood? 1 plus 1. 2 plus sine cos A into 1 plus that means take common 2. 1 plus sine A cos A into 1 plus sine. Understood? See, 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A cancel. Okay? 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A cancel. Now, 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A means what? This is equal to 2 by cos A. That means 2 into 1 by cos A. That means 2 into sec A. 2 into sec is equal to right hand rule. Understood? This way you have to do all the problems. Okay, this way you have to do all the problems. I've done 6 also, 7 you will do, 8, 9 you will try, and the rest all pages will start in second session, in second class we will do. Okay, in next class we will start from here again, and you will try. You will try. That means I am showing you one thing. You take the screenshots, all these screenshots, all these. These all are very important for your exam, mainly board exam. Take the screenshots I am showing you now. Okay, and some little more problems I will try to add. More 2 classes. More 2 classes I will take on this identity, and there is one more exercise just after the identity chapter. It is called elimination of trigonometrical ratios. Elimination of trigonometrical ratios is also important. I will try to do some important problems from that exercise also. Elimination of trigonometrical ratio. Okay. So after this today, thank you. Good night.